Okay, we are going to cook Ogbonor soup with chicken and fish. Do you know they understand them? Ogbonor soup, my people. How not day? What's up, guys? Have you ever eaten Ogbonor soup with chicken before? I'm the first person or the last person that is going to cook it today. I mean the cooker and I mean the runner. Oh yeah, salt, onions, maggi, got the inside. So let's cover it to get cooked. Make it cooking generation no, because no time to check time here, eh? Let's go to the olden days method, how my grandmother used to cook Ogbonor. How they do it. You know, I've already put my pepper, crayfish, and the oil inside the Ogbonor. Then I will put it inside the boiled meat so that the heat can be able to eat the Ogbonor to get warm and mix immediately. Oh yeah, now, they shake am. Yeah, let's start mixing it together like this, old woman, daughter, it don dey met. The Ogbonor don dey met. Shey you dey see am now. Which kind soup? Yeah, maybe we put some boiled water inside before we can exploit our Ogbonor into it. Which kind soup? My mama cook Ogbonor soup. Which kind soup? My mama cook Ogbonor soup. Pepper not dey, maggi not dey, everything not dey. Dam. You see am? Our grandmother, mama, we stir. That is how you stir and stir it. Sterical, oh yeah, Maggie, go inside. Maggie, go and relax yourself in the paradise inside the Ogbonor soup. Onions, go and relax yourself inside the paradise of Ogbonor soup. Then some little salt, go and relax yourself inside the Ogbonor soup. Then my fish and the mami water in the river, go and relax yourself inside the Ogbonor soup. You can see. What's up, Guan? Okay, now may we see the turny and upside down. Ooh, my grandmother try and my mommy see if they run this package for you, you go here for your life. May we put small water, just small shikele water. Wella, my Ogbonor soup is ready. How you see am? How did you see it? Which kind soup? My mama cook Ogbonor soup. Which kind soup? My mama cook Ogbonor soup. Pepper dey this one, maggi dey, salty dey, everything dey. Hey, which kind soup? My mama cook Ogbonor soup. Look at my Ogbonor soup is ready. Guys, come and join us to eat. Come and join me to eat in the RCA. I love you. Mwah.